Overpressure situation, depending on the size of equipment, it can be fatal to those people that are around it. If there is a product out there that does not relieve that pressure, it can basically explode. The first thought that comes to my head is the people and what happens to them. The second thought is what now happens to that company. That piece of equipment may be the livelihood of that company. So it can cause both a personal, fatal mishap, but it can also put you out of business.
Several years ago, we redesigned from the ground up our testing equipment for safety valves in St. Louis. We had a complete in-house redesign of this equipment utilizing the newest, best technology.
The value that I think the company can bring is that oftentimes it's not just a solution to a problem, but we are taking it a step further to say, hey, this may work, but this may work better. You may be more profitable if you do this. You may be safer if you do this. We operate with extreme integrity. Quality is of the utmost importance, and above all, the safety of our clients and the people that we work with is the most important thing. We offer products that allow them to operate more efficiently and therefore make more money, while at the same time reducing the emissions around them and helping the environment along the way.
When Pioneer tests safety valves in the field, we utilize a piece of equipment called an EVT. This allows us to properly set and test your valves with electronic equipment. It uses transducers and position sensors, which allows us to draw that information back into the computer and graphically represent what your valve is doing in the field.
And no one at Pioneer is in the business of just providing a me-too product to get you by, and then you're going to have problems down the road. We don't offer low-end products. We offer products that are going to give you a really good solution that you can see reliability out of, that you can see profitability out of. We carry a large line card. We expect our employees to be well-versed in that line card. We have product management that supports each of those product lines to provide more expertise, and we have engineering support behind that.
Green tag centers are the backbone of Consolidated. It allows Consolidated to have a wide footprint and be at customer sites very, very quickly. And to have the GTC certification really means that we are an extension of the manufacturer. We have been trained to the same level that their employees have been trained. So we know the product in and out.
We've decided now to look more into the midstream pipeline market, which allowed us to move into Indianapolis, take over a facility, and partner up with local midstream companies to perform line valve repairs or hold inventory. If Pioneer Industrial is coming to do a job on site for you, you know you're getting the best.